Hello everyone, good morning. Look where I am. I'm out here in the countryside amongst these beautiful orange groves. Now we have a fabulous 3-bedroom property to show you, and it has a casita with it. I'm really excited to show you around this beautiful home. So let's go in and have a look around. So guys, this is the outside of the property. Beautiful stone wall, very private, and these large double gates. So this is the lovely Spanish country home that I'm going to show you around. You've got these beautiful big lights here. It's all laid to shale, and you have the casita there. And there's a lot more to this property than first meets the eye. So let me take you inside. On approach, you have got one little step up to the veranda here, and it's a lovely place just to chill and relax here in the countryside. So let me take you inside. Got this lovely solid Spanish door here. Now just inside, this property is lovely and cozy, and it opens up into this lovely open plan living space. As you can see, there's a log burner with those Valentine bricks surrounding it. You have dual aircon, and you have 2 ceiling lights and fans. So I'm just going to take you this end of the room, give you a good look at that log burner. That is quite a substantial log burner. I've never seen one quite as large as that, but makes this house really cozy. Just there you have your gas boiler, and just above, like I said, your dual aircon. It's like a kitchen. It's all open plan here. You have your gas hob, your electric oven. It's all tiled on this side, and it looks out onto the gardens at the back. As you look around, you've got this beautiful staircase, which I'll take you up, and we'll have a look at the upstairs bedrooms and the family bathroom. On the windows, you've got wreckers and blackout blinds, and you've also got insect screens as well. Okay, so let me take you upstairs and we'll have a look around there. Now the staircase is really done beautifully. It's got this wooden effect on the tiles all the way up. Really beautiful. So see you at the top, guys. Just before I get to the top of the stairs, you've got this beautiful, very decorative window, and it illuminates the top of the staircase beautifully. And that's before we go into the bedrooms. I'm just going to pan around, and we have got a corridor here. At the other end of the corridor, you will see there is an aircon system. And I'm going to go through each room as we go. So this is bedroom 1, let's say. It is being used as a storage room, but it will take a double bed. Okay. I'm going to pan around for you. And it has some freestanding wardrobes in here. It is quite a substantial sized bedroom. So that's the first bedroom. I shut the door behind me, and I'll just go in here next. So as we come in here, this is the next bedroom. So just in here is your bathroom. You have got your slatted window there with your frosted glass in it. This bathroom is tiled ceiling to floor. A nice mottled colour with some lovely pink flowers. You have got your WC just there. And over there you have your sink set into a vanity unit with marble setting. You've also got your bath with a shower attachment. Got a nice mirror there with flower etching on with some spotlights. Lovely bathroom, and the tiles match the bathroom as well. So as we go on, we're going into the next room here. Have got a florist here, as you can see, and she does a lot of crafts with some beautiful flowers. But this is another bedroom, and it's quite a large, substantial bedroom, and I'm going to just pan around for you, and it looks over the countryside. Okay, now just going to come out here. You have a lovely balcony area just out here, and again with these beautiful tiles that are on the veranda itself downstairs. You could sit out here and just enjoy looking at the countryside and those orange groves over beyond. Okay, now we will have a look at the Casita. So let's go inside now. I'm going to take you back down this corridor and down the stairs, and we'll be back into the living space. So see you downstairs, guys. So we're back downstairs. Just refresh your memory of this very large open plan home. And I'm going to take you over to the Casita first, and then around by the pool area. Okay, so we just come out here now. And this is the veranda again. Really beautiful. I'm just going into the Casita now, and you have a little area there. You have a bistro table and chairs. You could put a hot tub there, of course, if you wanted to. If you wanted to rent this out for holiday lets. So just in here it's again open plan living, and your kitchen over there. But first of all, we'll have a look here. They've got beautiful Spanish doors on here. Now, just to warn anyone, there is a strobing light as I open this door. Sometimes it flickers. You have got a sink and pedestal. You've got your WC, and you've got the glass blocks here, which is the shower. Right? You have this very modern rain head shower in here, and of course this is all fully tiled. All right, so I'll give you a good look at that. We're going back out here, and now I'm going into the bedroom. I love these Spanish doors, absolutely beautiful. So we have large double bedroom in here. You've got a ceiling light and fan. You've got insect screens, wreckers and blackout blinds on the windows. Nice, good sized double. So we're now in the open space of the Casita. So you've got your living space. You have got your table and chairs. They are in the process of moving, so there is a few parcels about. You have got your kitchenette over here, and you have your cooker, gas cooker I believe, there with your extractor hood. Just above there, illuminating this room beautifully, is your ice block glass window. You've also got aircon, you've got a gas boiler over there, your microwave, your fridge freezer, your washing machine and a drainer. Got a lovely worktop here as well. It's like a granite effect. And of course you've got your lounges for your guests for outside. Let's go in and around and have a look at the pool area. I do love these doors, they're really beautiful. I think they're a nice feature of this Casita. And of course, you've got this glorious sunshine as we come out. So I'm going to take you around the pool area, guys. So you've got this large area with established plants and trees, and through the archway is the pool area. So let me take you down there first. The pool area with the false grass all around, and you've got your shower just there. And of course beyond that you can see beautiful mountains. Listen to the birds tweet, really beautiful. I'll give you another look of the pool there. Now just here there is a gateway and a step. This gate leads to an alleyway, and this door leads into the pool room or a man cave. Alright, just here we have a gym, or it could be a second casita, but they're using it and utilising it as a gym at the moment. Put a bit of light on the subject. So just here you have all your utilities. You've got your washing machine, a fridge, freezer, a large fridge or freezer. I think that's a tumble dryer, I'm not too sure. And you've got everything you possibly want to keep fit. But this could be utilised as another casita in some way. You could do something with it and rent it out. Okay. I'm sorry about the light, they're flashing a bit, but I just thought I'd just do this at another angle. You have two windows here with blackout blinds and insect screens as well here. You could easily put a double bed in here, or whatever you needed to do. Alright guys, and then you have that lovely garden just there. So if you're interested in this property, do contact Dawn, info@tolettoseltobuy.com. So what do you think, guys, of this property? This property is absolutely amazing. You've got fantastic views wherever you look. You can just see behind me beautiful mountain views. We are in the heart of the country amongst the orange groves. Really, really pretty area. This would make a great home for anybody. Also, it has a potential for an income because you've got a casita to the front that's all ready to go. And you have potential for a second casita, maybe at the back. You know, you just have to add on a bathroom there. So if you're interested in this property, do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com. Don't forget to put the reference number of this property along with your contact details, and somebody in the office will get back to you. And don't forget to share, subscribe and like, because somebody out there would just love this property. Until the next time, have an amazing day, guys. Oh, I can hear the chickens just laid an egg.